Dear students of class 5, Assalamu alaikum. We are fine and it is expected that you may be same at your homes. Dear students, as you know that it's me, your teacher, Mushtaq Ahmed, subject teacher, computer, class 5, going to deliver lecture number 4 from chapter number 2 at Bera Foundation College, Nusharofros. Dear students, as we studied about some input devices in the previous lecture, and today we are going to study about other peripheral devices that are input devices in this lecture. Today's our lecture is based on lecture number 4, chapter number 2, the objectives of this lecture are that we will learn about the following devices. Number 1, barcode reader. Number 2, OCR. Number 3, MICR. Number 5, graphics tablet. Number 6, microphones. So first of all, we are going to describe number 1, that is a barcode. Barcode reader is a special image in the form of vertical bars. A barcode is placed on object and stores data about it. Number 2, optical character reader. It's an input device. Optical character recognition converts images and printed text into the text that can be edited by machine. An OCR system enables us to take a book, convert it into a form that is an electronic computer file and edit the using a word processor, a special scanner that uses software to convert printed characters into computer data is called an optical character recognition. Number 3, magnetic ink character recognition. We can say MICR, magnetic ink character recognition system uses special ink and characters to read a document that contains this ink. It is passed through a machine which magnetizes the ink and then translates magnetic information into character. Number 4, graphical tablet. A graphics tablet is an input device that enables us to enter drawings into a computer. It consists of an electronic tablet which can detect the movement of stylus and translate these movements into digital signals. Graphics tablets are also called digitizers are digitizing tablets. Webcam number 5. There is an other input device that is known as a webcam. A webcam is a device connected to a computer. Webcams are used to record videos and send them to the internet. The last device of our discussion is a microphone. A microphone or mic is an input device that is used to record and create data in the form of voices and sounds. Dear students, these are the input devices that we have described here, and some devices we studied in the previous lecture. As you know that this chapter consisted on two types of devices, or the two portions of the devices. Number 1, or the portion number 1, is consisted on the input devices. Portion number 2 is consisted on output devices. Dear students, the portion that we have completed today, it is totally based on input devices, and coming portion will be based on the output devices. So the devices that we have studied till today are brought under the category of input devices. So the devices that you use in form of entering data into the computer are known as the input devices. Input devices include keyboard, mouse, scanner, tablet, touch screen, graphics tablet, webcam, microphone, and etc. are known as the input devices. So the devices that we have studied till the lecture number 4 are known as the input devices. So the devices even that we have discussed today in form of barcode reader, optical character reader, or OCR, magnetic in character recognition, we can say MICR, graphics tablet, webcam, microphone, all are known as the input devices. Now I am going to give you some homework that is based on today's devices. The homework that you have to give the answer of the said question on our WhatsApp group. The question is that what is difference between OCR, optical character recognition, and MICR, magnetic in character recognition? You have to answer this question and send me on our WhatsApp group. In the coming lecture, we will study about portion number 2. The devices will be based on output patterns. Now we will meet in the next lecture. Be careful about your health. Allah Hafiz.